As you can see, we still have 10 minutes to go while the pasta is boiling. It don't take very long. Maybe you want to look at our countertop while we're here. It's got a touch of pink in there, very, very light. It's almost like a mauve. Got some grays, a little black, and a touch of brown. It's very nice because it doesn't show everything. I didn't get a high gloss one either. It's got a texture to it, so it feels nice on the hand without that high shine. And over here, here's my laptop. It's a gaming laptop by Gateway. It can play the latest games. Of course, I got a Corvette on there. And let's see, what else? Oh, here's my plant stand in front of the mirror now. See, there I am. Hi. These are the cabinets. Here's the faucet I was telling you about, the gooseneck. Got my colander in here waiting for my pasta. And our sprayer that I had added to the faucet. And here's the corner where there's a buckle in the countertop. So I put this retro toaster oven on top of it. And the retro toaster over here. There's that big rotisserie oven from Ronco that we don't use as much as we should. And there I am again. 8 minutes.